8.
Can I be a zero? Okay, Kiji, tell us something about yourself and tell us something which we should know. Only we should know.
Apart
Which is
from
important.
this resume.
Highlights about yourself.
My name is Nidhi Singh and I'm a good team leader. And, my father is Mr. Rajen Kumar Seth. He's a businessman. And my inspiration in my life is Shushmita Rawat. She's my cousin and she's an IITian. And currently she's pursuing MBA from Oxford University.
Okay, so she is your idol.
Yeah.
So what makes her your idol? What she has done that she is your idol? Is it that because she is into IITs and then into Oxford University that makes an ideal, but or is it something else?
Sir, actually she's the only one who reached to this level and above her no one is reached to that and she believed in self-motivation. Whatever she did in her life, that was because of her only and it seems the result.
So what is Alpana?
Sir, it's a kind of rangoli.
Okay. Alpana is a kind of rangoli and you have won prizes of that.
What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are listening to music and watching daily soaps. And I like to read novels. And sometimes I just go through basketball.
Okay.
Okay. What about dancing?
Yes, sir, sometimes, but because of this much, like I need to be here in college, so it just.
So since you need to be here in college, you cannot dance, right?
Sir, actually, I don't get this much time to play such kind of.
Okay. Reading novels, especially of Chetan Bhagat. So you read Chetan Bhagat stuff. What interests you in Chetan Bhagat?
Sir, it's language.
लैंग्वेज बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में लिखता है. तो चेतन का क्या आपको पसंद आता है? अगर मैं बोलूँ आपको 5 पॉइंट समवन आपने किताब पढ़ा होगा.
Sir, sorry, but
5 पॉइंट समवन
चेतन भगत पढ़ी आपने?
ये नहीं पढ़ा है. वन नाइट एट कॉल सेंटर.
Sir, 2 states and
2 states. Revolution 2020. हाँ.
and
3 mistakes.
of my life.
So in 3 mistakes, what were the 3 mistakes you had committed?
Sir, the first mistake he did is he was just committed with with his friend's sister, and the second mistake he did was just that they were making that shop in that mall. And just because of earthquake, it was destroyed. So it was his second mistake, and I don't remember his third.
That's good that you remember. You know, Chetan might be delighted with it. To remember the mistakes he has done. Anyway, that's good. You said that easily adaptable to any kind of environment. So, in which all kind of environment can you be adaptable? I'll give you one room to do a work. Will you be adaptable in that kind of environment as well?
Yes, sir. It means that I'm ready to work under stress or in a normal environment or this and such kind of environments.
You are able to do that. Any question you want to ask?
Sir, thank you. It's my pleasure that you have asked me this question. Sir, I only want to know that sometimes it happens that some people are shortlisted. So many of get the same marks. If 3 of them got the same marks and you need to select one of them. So which skill on which basis you select?
See, first of all, we have a job profile. So if 3 people get the same mark, then obviously, and if I have to select only one of them, then I would look on other things apart from the marks, which is more suitable for that kind of a profile and more suitable for my company. So the suitability I'll go according to my company and according to the profile what I'm issuing to the candidate. So the most fitted candidate gets the job.
We'll be looking for, like, marks will be even. We won't be giving attention to the marks. We'll be looking for someone who has good interpersonal skills. Out of those 3, somebody who has good interpersonal skills. Somebody who has good people skills. So that's the candidate we'll be going for. We'll be checking on interpersonal skills and people skills. Okay. Thank you very much.